July 15th. National Give Something Away Day. Imagine a day when you could clean house and get rid of clutter, show someone that you care, gift small things to strangers, and generally making the world a better place. Yes, this day does, in fact, exist, and on July 15th we celebrate National Give Something Away Day. History of National Give Something Away Day. It's better to give than to receive, and this is the aim behind National Give Something Away Day. One man's trash is another man's treasure doesn't literally mean junk or trash, but items that can serve someone else better. The day encourages people to give freely to others without expecting anything in return. This is also a good way to declutter and pass on things that no longer fit us or are useful to us. Most of us undoubtedly have way more items than we need. National Give Something Away Day was established on July 15, 2015, by Linda Eaton Hall Fulcher, a self-proclaimed giver. On the day's Facebook page, Linda advocates giving back to the world. According to her, this day is for everyone who cares. It advocates for giving to friends, family, and the less fortunate, for mindful consumerism, and for being more aware of our carbon footprint. Giving is the simplest act to exist that can brighten up another's day, and at times really bring about a positive change. Whether it is something small like giving a compliment, giving your friend a jacket of yours that she really likes, or donating clothes to the less fortunate. These little things can have a big impact. Even though giving is a selfless act, the reward goes both ways. We benefit from feeling good about giving and making someone's day, and at the same time, we also let go of items that we no longer need and are just lying around. We also learn to be grateful for all our blessings, and it makes us feel like responsible people who are improving the community. Thank you for watching.